Did you ever look at the weather on your phone and wonder like, what are these H's and L's for? What do they mean? They don't look like they mean anything. Like they don't look like wind or rain or temperature or like a heat wave or what. So what are they there for? What are they meant to show? Well, H stands for high and L stands for low. High and low what? High and low pressure. What do I mean by pressure? Well, you might ask. Oh, you and your questions. I have an answer for you. Much like how water is kept in the oceans, gravity keeps the Earth's air as close to the planet's surface as possible. This creates a pool of air that covers the Earth, the atmosphere. And much like water, it can get denser or thinner based on how deep you go into the atmospheric pool. And you can see that spectrum in this photo, taken way up high. You can kind of see the layers of the atmosphere there. And yeah, it's just like an ocean of water. The atmosphere has distinct layers, but let's get back to pressure. Again, like a rough, stormy body of water, the surface of the atmosphere is not perfectly flat. The H's and L's show dips and peaks in the atmosphere, respectively. And these are created by temperature. Temperature is what changes pressure. Now we're going places. We can understand where H's and L's generally form on a map by understanding where heat is, with H's showing compact air from cold spots, like in this chart here, or L's forming in more spread out areas with warmer locations. They get to move around with that warmer temperature. So obviously you'd say that low pressure would form on the equator and high pressure on the poles, because that's just where sunlight's distributed. Yeah, it's cold up north, warm down south if you're a northern hemisphere person. Well, yeah, nice work. Good deduction, but that's not the whole story. See, water heats up and cools down slower than land does. So at latitude 30, the water is cooler on average than surrounding lands. And at latitude 60, the opposite is true. So this creates 4 distinct regions of the world where H's and L's come from. And they interact in these circulation cells. So here they last in perfect, sustainable harmony. Never once venturing out of these continuous loops or changing position based on regional or continental oceanic differences. Yeah, nothing ever happens. There's like no hurricanes or incredible natural phenomena or even weather or like storms for that matter. They just stay completely separate. Yeah, like they ever would. So find out next time how these babies interact on Here Are My Sources.